Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. From Burmese Ashes wig cap. How the packaging looks. This is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. It's a full 13 by 4, which means you can do a good middle part and a good side part. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Elastic band to wear it glueless. This hair is so soft. It does have a little bit of a smell, but of course I'm bleaching the knots on this wig. This is Burmese curly, and look at the thickness of this hair. I love me a good thick wig. It is pre-plucked. Now it's time to pluck the hairline. I'm about to spray the hairline with water and part it out. I'm taking my tweezers. Do not stay in the same spot too long because you can over pluck a part and it's going to not look natural anymore. As you can see, it's already giving scalp. Before I start to actually fully customize this wig, but I'm about to go in with row 2 because it needs to, and after that, once I'm done, I'm going in with the third plucking at the front. And as you can see, it's already giving scalp before I bleach the knots. I blow dry the hair. I use Kiss Lace Bond spray to push all the hair going to the back. Blow dry it. Use my quick blue bleach 20 volume developer and start mixing the bleach together. I use 1 scoop of bleach and a half, and then I use 1 scoop of developer. Mix it up. Make sure the consistency is so thick so it won't seep through the lace. I start applying the bleach on the back of the frontal first because I don't want the hair to process faster in the front, because you don't want to over bleach at all, because if you do, you're gonna have to literally use mascara or hair color, y'all. I'm going to wash it out with cold water. Once I wash everything out, I'm going to use purple shampoo to cancel out the brassiness, and I'm going to leave this purple shampoo on for a few minutes, y'all. Once I do that, I do condition this hair, make it sure it feels nice and it gives scalp. Like, where is the wig? Look at that hairline. It is looking like scalp. Now it's time to literally install this wig, you guys. Look how natural this wig looks on my head. I'm about to start cutting the ear tabs because it literally needs to be customized to my head, of course. Now I'm going to cut from eyebrow to eyebrow just so I can literally have 3 sections so I can work on this lace easier. I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond spray level 9. I do 2 layers because I'm not keeping this wig on long, but I'm going to spread it out using my finger. Once I do that, I'm going to literally blow dry it on hot sitting. Once I blow dry it on hot sitting, it will get tacky, and then you want to do another layer. Once it gets tacky again, you're going to lay the lace down.
I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the hang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you, do I know what time it is?
This is what I mean by tacky, because my hand is literally stuck on the lace. Now I'm going to lay the lace down in sections, taking my comb, pressing the lace into my skin, and laying that lace down in sections, of course, so it can be easier.
You'll never come to me. How she hit me with it? Come and see me, come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. He could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the.
Now I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail so it can be easier to work on this lace. I'm spraying the Kiss Lace Bond spray on top of the lace now, of course, so that way my lace could be laid and slayed.
Things getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
I'm using my favorite melting band. This melting band comes pre-cut around the ears, which means no ear pain at all. I'm about to use my eyebrow razor to cut the lace off in sections. Sometimes there will be excess lace. You want to cut that extra lace off because it's going to literally show, and you don't want the lace to show that much. You can still see the lace. So I'm going to try to use the Frontal Queen new lace mousse. And when I tell you, I don't know what I'm doing for real, y'all, with this lace melting mousse. But I'm just going to try my best to melt this lace because it's a brand new product. And I never used mousse to melt my lace. And so far, it is disappearing the lace. Like, I love the Frontal Queen products down. I trust her products because I already used the original melting spray. Like, where is the lace? I'm taking my melting band now and I'm going to blow dry it. And where is the lace? The lace is giving scalp. Brush all the hair going to the back. I'm about to take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation on the lace to blend the lace into my skin tone. I already knew the Frontal Queen products was about to make my lace disappear. I'm about to do the basic style, y'all, but first I need to comb all this hair going to the back because it's crunchy. After using the mousse though, the Frontal Queen wax stick, I'm about to use this wax stick because it slicks all the hair. Literally, I love this wax stick. This is like my favorite one. Unlike the cheap ones, I'm taking my hot comb now to slick all the hair going to the back. As you can see, it's already giving sleek.
I get back tricks with on like I'm flexing steel. Same right every time hot song dumped on, cause here I got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless.
I love the fluffy look, but I'm going to wet this hair up in sections. Brush it out using my airbrush. Look at the curls. This is Burmese curly. How it's going to look when it's all wet, but I want that Burmese curly look, so I'm going to style this hair. I'm going to use Shea Moisture conditioner because I don't want to use leave-in conditioner on this hair. I'm going to start wetting this hair in sections. Then I'm going to take the hair and twist it around like it's a lock, but it's going to end up being Burmese curly at the ends and curly at the roots, of course. But the front is going to be more curly, of course, because that's how I like it. And look at the curls, y'all. The curls are literally eating. Look at my hair, y'all. I love the hair. The curls came out so nice, y'all, and juicy. This is Burmese curly, y'all. Look at the lace, y'all. This lace is tea. You do get some shedding, a little bit of shedding. No tangles out of this hair at all. The lace was easy to melt, which I love. I love me a good human hair wig, y'all. And this wig is very much tea. I'll put this wig down below